Hi guys, welcome to Quan Masters. I am Deepshikha Rana and I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to tell you about the vacancies released by Amazon. I will tell you how to apply for this job. Thirdly, I will tell you about the eligibility criteria. And fourth, your role. So let's start with this video. Without wasting your time, let me share the screen with you. So, as all of you know, that Amazon is one of the leading brands when it comes to e-commerce. It has started from website, then it went into e-commerce sector. Now it is into development. It has achieved a lot over the years. मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहती हूँ that it is among the second well-known brands around the globe. And I will tell you something that मेरे को इसकी एक चीज पता है. मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स अमेजोन में काम करते हैं. मुझे उन्होंने बताया दैट आफ्टर योर वर्क आवर्स आर ओवर यू डू नॉट हैव टू वर्क, यू डू नॉट हैव टू अटेंड एनी कॉल्स फ्रॉम द वर्क. कोई आफ्टर आवर वर्क आपको नहीं दिया जाता है. सो विच इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स. सो I will tell you which role you have to apply for, what is the vacancy for. It is for AWS Cloud Support Associate. The location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. So let me go to apply here. I'll tell you few more details about the company. As I told, Bangalore and Hyderabad is the location. What is the experience they are expecting? It is 0 to 1 years. If you are a fresher, you can apply. If you are a non-fresher and have an experience below 1 year or even more than that, you can also apply. So the salary is not disclosed by the recruiter yet. And what will be your responsibilities? Let's talk about your responsibilities. You will learn and use groundbreaking technologies. You will apply troubleshooting techniques to provide unique solutions to your customers' needs. You will interact with the leading technologists around the globe and resolve customer issues. And you will drive customer communication during critical events. These are the responsibilities they are expecting you to hold. So basic qualification, as I told you, it is you must have an experience. If you are a fresher, you can also apply. If you are experienced, you can also apply. So they are expecting you to have some experience in Linux, Windows, in database, big data analysis, network administration, or DevOps. Any one of these. You should possess a bachelor's degree in engineering in one of the branches, that is computers, ID, electronics, and electrical, or you must possess an MCA degree. So you should be knowledgeable about the programming, and you should have an experience in programming, that is Java, Perl, Ruby, C, or PHP, any one of these. You should have an excellent oral and written communication skills, and you should be eager to learn more about technology. That's what they have mentioned here. And role category is programming and design. Role should be team lead or technical lead. Employment type is full-time permanent. And let's talk about how to apply for it. If you go to login to apply, it will the page will appear, and it will be like login with Naukri. If you have a Naukri account, you can put your email ID and you can directly put your password and you can log in, and then you can apply for the role. If you are not, if you don't have an ID password, if you are not registered with Naukri, what you can do is you can go to register now. See, here it is written not a member as yet, and you can go to register now. So if you are a fresher, you can go to I am a fresher. If you are a professional, I can go. You have to go to I am a professional. If you are a fresher, these details you have to fill: name, email ID, password, mobile number, current city, and you have to upload your resume. And for the education part, this was a personal thing, right? For the education part, once you fill all these details and you go to register now, you will again be redirected to Amazon only, and you can then directly apply to Amazon. Now, if you are a professional, what you can do is, I am a professional, and again the same details you have to fill, but one additional field you have to fill is for employment. You will have to fill what is your company right now, which company you are working in, what is your role there. You will have to write about your job description, what is your salary and all that, and then you can apply to Amazon. If you do not want to register with Naukri, what can you do is, here is an option, apply without registration. Here you can do is, you can insert your name, your current email ID, your current mobile number, your current location, your total experience, your resume you have to upload. And they have told it maximum file size should be 3 MB, and the format should be docx, PDF, या RTF. If you do not have a resume, you can go to I do not have a resume, and there are more additional details that you can fill. Suppose the functional area, industry you're interested, key skills, your key skills, and then you can, if you want to check these boxes, you can check as per your understanding, and then you can go to apply without registration. Once you go to apply without registration, you have successfully registered with the company, you have successfully applied to the company, and a mail will be sent to you. So this was all about Amazon. If you want to apply for it, then go for it. I can tell you that many of my friends are there and they're very happy working with them. uh, so let me stop sharing. So this was all about this company. I hope you get selected, and all the best for your future. Thank you. Bye bye.